Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Mastodon account. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log in and access your Mastodon account using a Mastodon application, then the process is quite simple. Open up your Mastodon app from your app drawer and from the first interface, tap the login button at the bottom. Now, select your server from the list. Make sure to select the same network that you chose while signing up. And once you give it a tap on the next button at the bottom right. Allow application to the website permission to share the information about you by tapping continue, and on the next page, you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Mastodon account. Type in your email in the text box and type in your password in the next field. Finally, tap on the enter button and you'll be able to see this interface. Your account has been found. Tap on authorize option and you'll be able to log in back to your Mastodon account. All you need to do is to remember your network or your server that you selected while signing up for your account, and you'll be able to get access to it back again. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.